Hello everyone, this is my review of the Manspot Manscape groin and body hair trimmer for men. The first thing I noticed is how smooth it feels. The ceramic blade doesn't pull or snag at all, which is huge for sensitive areas. I've used other trimmers before and they always felt risky. This one feels way more controlled and safe. The guards make a big difference too. You can switch lengths easily depending on how clean you want it, and it cuts evenly every time. Another thing I like is that it's waterproof, so I use it in the shower. Makes cleanup super easy and way less messy. Battery life is solid. I get multiple uses out of each charge, so I'm not constantly worrying about it dying mid-trim. Overall, it does exactly what you want it to: clean, comfortable trim, no irritation, no hassle. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.